A tool's value lies in its ability to ease demanding tasks. Among power tools, the impact wrench stands out for removing stubborn lug nuts and rusted bolts. It's a game changer for both DE enthusiasts and pro mechanics, making the difference between a productive day and a struggle with obstinate hardware. There are numerous options for cheap cordless impact wrenches, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable cordless impact wrenches from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Makita XWT08T 18 FUEL XT. If you want serious, unbridled power from your half-inch cordless impact wrench, this Makita is the one to get. Boasting both tightening and loosening torque measurements over 850 foot-pounds, it produces plenty of power for your automotive dirty work. That power comes with additional weight. It was the heaviest of the bunch, actually. We noted that it felt balanced regardless and was more of a strain on our forearms than our wrists. The Makita hardly broke a sweat removing the axle nut, and the objective torque readings back it up. Number 2. Porter Cable 20V Max Impact Wrench. If you're looking to reach good torque numbers at a lower cost, the Porter Cable 20V Max is a great option. It performed well in our test. Out of the mid-torque impact wrenches we tested, this one seemed to strike the best balance between power and affordability. The loosening torque is adequate for just about every job on a car. However, the head is a bit long, which makes it tricky in small spaces. But if you need a solid impact wrench for the garage that won't break the bank, this is the best choice. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. The DEWALT proved to be one of the top performers in our test in both numbers and comfort. We noted how rugged the grip felt, the trigger was smooth, and the battery interface is easy to understand. The numbers were impressive. Its fastening torque was second only to the Makita's. We also love DEWALT's catalog of battery options, so adding it to your DEWALT collection of cordless tools is quite easy. This kit is frequently on sale too, so keep an eye out. It's a great buy. Number 4. KIMO Cordless Impact Wrench. This little half-inch impact from KIMO was the quietest impact in our test, and its dimensions make it easy to see why. It's packaged in the same size as a 1/4 inch impact wrench, and we have our suspicions that KIMO simply swapped out the anvil for a half-inch. The torque numbers leave something to be desired, but it's meant for removing wheels on a quiet Saturday morning. It's extremely light, quick to use, and, with the lowest sound level reading, maybe won't wake up the neighbors. Number 5. Milwaukee 276720 M18 FUEL. Milwaukee fans are a rowdy, zealous bunch, and it's easy to see why. This is an excellent tool. It hangs right up there with Makita and DEWALT, and the brand's reputation for quality provides some pedigree. The Milwaukee impact wrench removed the axle nut faster than any other in our test, but the objective torque numbers were lower than expected. It's heavy but balanced, and the grip is comfortable enough for extended use. If you're part of the Milwaukee fandom, this is the cordless impact wrench for you. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.